Yo, welcome to Logic on Steroids. Today we have another wild ride, you know what I'm saying, by ours truly, Bonquisha. Another one, you know what I'm talking about? Yo, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the channel who provided this video here. It's gonna be shown on top any minute now. And go ahead and like the video. We're gonna get right into it. Let's go. I can't wait.
Are you ready?
Hey, how we doing, folks? And the window tints are actually the reason why I pulled you over, okay? You cannot have the windshield tinted at all. You have the full windshield tinted. Okay. And also the tints in the front are supposed to be 28 in the front and 15 in the back. All right. Is it your vehicle?
No, I don't.
Okay, do you have the driver's license, your driver's license with you, registration, insurance?
No, I don't have my driver's license.
Who needs a fucking license?
I was packing, but I wasn't motherfucking driving.
Is your license suspended?
No.
It's not? Okay. And Ashley, what's your mom's name?
Stephanie.
Do you have
whose car this is?
Yeah, whoever's registered to. Do you have the registration?
I don't have it. Might be in here, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Well, there's insurance. I'll take that part. I'll go ahead and pull up the registration in the car. Just give me 1 second. Here's the old one back here, too. Yep, give me 2 seconds.
Yes.
Quick question, honest answer, okay? When was the last time marijuana was smoked in the car?
In this car?
Yeah.
It hasn't been smoked in here.
There's been no marijuana smoked in this car.
No.
All right, right now, she seemed kind of decent. You know what I mean? And, you know, when you get put over for tints and all that stuff, that's like a damn. They got a reason to mess with you. They got a reason to go a little forward. So now they move to the marijuana. Maybe he smelled something. Let's see what
I've been smoking a cigarette. I've been smoking
as soon as I can smell the marijuana, as soon as I walk up, at least on that side of the car,
well,
I can smell it.
I don't know.
And if y'all not riding legit, man, learn how to goddamn stop driving with open bottles, alcohol, and stop riding with goddamn marijuana in your car, drugs, guns. Y'all not riding legit.
Like her boyfriend.
They got a reason to search the entire vehicle.
I just got the car from him.
Okay, that's fine. Is there any marijuana in the car that you know of or anything like that?
No.
No, any guns, weapons, anything? No? Okay. I'll have you come out for me real quick?
Me?
Yeah.
For what?
I can smell the weed coming from
Who
the
else?
car.
Where do you smell weed?
I can't. It's coming from the car.
How?
And when they start asking questions like that, stupid questions, you know what they're trying to do.
I'm not smoking any weed.
I'm asking you one more time.
Why?
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
Why?
All right, just step out the vehicle. That's all it is. If there's weed in the car, I don't even care if there's weed in the car, honestly. But I got to make sure there's not large amounts of weed. Okay, trafficking. Okay, and that's fine. So I'm gonna ask you one more time.
You know she got to make it worse.
I don't have any weed, sir.
Are you ready?
Hey.
There you go. Listen to the birds chirping.
Took off from my show's going out to 15 Terrace.
Like it's a beautiful day.
Gotcha, bitch.
Move your hip, come on. That's it. With your arms now. That's it.
You remember me?
No, I do not.
Yeah, I didn't think so. That's weird.
I don't know you.
I'm sure you don't.
I do not know you, and don't talk to me like that.
Okay, well I'm gonna read you something, okay? I'm gonna read you something, okay?
No.
Just listen to what he has to say and we'll go from there, okay?
Actually, I'm required to warn you for you making statements to define constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given.
For what?
You have the right to the presence or representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence or representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you not wish to answer any questions, you're...
Now remember, she got caught. I mean, like she got caught way later. it was like damn near daytime or just in the morning time when she pulled off on them. So they could have got rid of the gun if they had one in there. So she's lucky for that one.
But remain silent. I can make no threats or promise induce you to make a statement. It's with your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand your rights I just read to you?
No, I do not.
Do you have any questions?
I don't know what's going on.
Do you understand your? I'll explain to you what's going on. You don't understand your rights.
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so what don't you understand about your rights?
What are you saying all this to me for? I don't understand.
I'm trying to get to that. I'm going to explain the situation. You know if you have any questions about your rights.
Don't talk to me like that, sir. I'm a human just like you're a human.
The man just talking to you, girl. Your stupid ass attitude.
Yes, you
okay,
are.
do you have any questions about your rights?
Damn.
Do I? Why am I being stopped and why are y'all talking to me?
I'm not asking if you have questions about what's going on. I'll explain.
So that's a part of my right.
It is. Okay.
Why are you stopping me and what is going on?
Okay, so you're not going to be cooperative and give a statement?
I don't know what you're talking about. A statement
I'm
about
going to
what?
explain the situation once you let me know if you understand your rights or not.
No.
You don't. What don't you understand about your rights?
She's too emotional to understand her rights, or to say she understands it, or whatever.
You want me to read it slower for you?
If that's what you gotta do.
Okay, let me read it slower for her. I am required to warn you before you make any statements that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand? You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements and during any questioning. Do you understand? Okay. If at any time during the interview you not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
I can make no threats or promise to induce you to make a statement. This is your own free will. Do you understand?
I do.
Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now do you have any questions about your rights?
No, I don't.
Okay,
Come on,
so...
3rd and 11.
So anyways, the other day when you were driving that Kia, I pulled you over. It was listen, my body camera was on the entire...
I was not driving any Kia.
Did she just cut cheese?
I don't know what you're...
Yeah, put her in jail for that.
Okay, so you don't know what I'm talking about? My body camera was on the entire time, and so was the in-car camera. You identified yourself to me with your name and birthday.
Not me.
No, it wasn't you? Okay, well, we're just wasting gas.
Why? What are you doing? Are you...
You was cutting cheese. You gotta put you away for that.
Why are you slamming me down and doing all that?
He ain't slammed you down.
Why? What are you putting me in?
You're being arrested for fleeing and
Why
eluding
are
and
you
resisting.
arresting me?
Fleeing and eluding and resisting.
Why are you arresting
Fleeing
me?
and eluding and resisting.
I haven't fled.
Okay, well, it's on my camera.
That's what he say. Do you remember me?
The camera was on the entire
I have
time.
not fled.
Remember, I asked you to come out the car. You
No, I did
refused,
not.
and you were with your buddy who rolled up the
No.
windows, locked the cars, and you took off down. You don't remember that?
No.
No, maybe I don't know.
No, I do not.
Okay.
Why are you arresting me right now? Seriously.
Fleeing and eluding.
I was not fleeing and eluding.
Okay, well, you did.
No, I did
If it was in you would have said more than no, I do not remember that.
not.
You did.
You did not. No, it had to be someone else. It was not me.
Another Ash.
Oh, now you thought about
Must
it.
be. It wasn't me.
Okay.
Can you do the transport?
Are you serious right now?
We can't do it.
No, what are you doing? You just said I wasn't under arrest. Now I'm under
No, I never
arrest.
said you're
You
under
just
arrest.
said I was having an interview. What
Yeah,
the
I
hell?
had to give you the opportunity to explain yourself, and you don't want to explain
myself
yourself
about what?
for fleeing and eluding.
I wasn't fleeing and eluding.
Okay.
Damn.
Let go of your
Why are
phone.
you snatching shit from
Let
me?
go of
Why
your-
are you snatching shit from me?
Let go of your
What
phone.
the f is wrong with
Let
you,
go of your
Papa?
phone.
What the f
There you go.
Let me tell you something. You are not going to do that.
Who pulled the race card first?
You just mad. You just get mad. Are you f***ing serious?
Look at her. With her bitch ass.
I can stand in motherfucking alone. No, I'm not going to no f***ing car. I'm not going to f***ing jail.
Where's your car? The one
No, I'm not going to jail. What the fuck? What? He talking about fleeing and f***ing eluding.
When?
Stay back.
Yeah.
What happened?
Stay back, please.
What happened? Okay.
What you mean stand back? That's my f***ing brother. You can say
I'll
about
explain.
me.
I'll explain.
You don't need to explain shit.
Fleeing and eluding. What the fuck? You ran for?
Shut up. He got to explain to your brother what happened. Tomorrow he ain't got to explain nothing. Shut up.
2 days ago, yeah.
I didn't
She
do
identified
shit.
herself to me. I spoke to her at the car.
The hell, that could have been any motherfucking body. That wasn't fucking me. I'm not getting in no car. I'm not going to fucking jail. No.
Put in a lube. No, seriously. She said she ran from y'all?
I talked to her at the car.
No, he did not talk to me. You didn't talk to me.
Listen, I'll make it very clear. I pulled her over 2 days ago.
Okay.
I was at
She like, my brother's here. That mean I didn't do it.
the car talking to her. She identified herself. When I asked her to get it, no, it's fine. When I told her to get out of the car because I could smell the weed coming from the car, she kept saying, "Sir, there's no weed in the car. There's no weed in the car." I said, "Ashley, get out the listen, get out the car." And she was with another black male. The black male locked the car door, rolled the windows up, and she took off down third on the car. While I was at the window, she identified herself. It's not like
Okay.
I confusingly
Look at
maybe
that.
saw her. No, she identified herself to me.
Yeah, I bet y'all didn't know that though.
So whoever she's rolling with that day,
And see, he logically sound. He understand the situation. He ain't over there being an asshole, ignorant. You know what I'm saying?
it was 2 days ago. Like I was talking to her like this. Well, I was on the passenger side initially. She identified herself. She was with another male, and we could smell the weed come from the car. They refused to get out the car. It's just, look, I don't know if it was her, but it was in the car. Okay, probably the guy who she was with. Chances are, because of his history. Then we asked him to get out the car. He locks the doors, rolled the windows up, and she took off down third towards 15th Terrace. And everyone said it was a silver Kia from the one that blew down.
I'm the one that ain't my Kia ain't what?
Well, that was your car, your Kia. I tried calling you a couple times, but it says your voicemail wasn't set up.
Anybody cutting cheese today, huh?
My voicemail is set up. Call me right now. Not LaWanda. That's my car right there on the end.
A gray Kia? Kia Optima?
They was looking for the car.
It's gold. It's a Kia, not
Optima?
an Optima. I ain't got no
Or
Optima.
what
I got
is- let me see.
Kia Optima.
On the Kia Optima, where is the window switch located?
The master window switch is located on the driver's side door panel.
That's the car I stopped. I'll even pull up my report for you.
Okay, call my phone.
Thanks for showing them.
Right about that. But that wasn't her car. That wasn't
Wait,
her car.
let me talk to them because he say LaWanda, and that means he ran my
I
tag.
seen
That's it. I ran your tag.
That's
That's the car I talked to.
The same day, I see you guys put it right there.
Okay,
And y'all
call my phone because, baby, my phone works on the corner right there, baby.
It was a gray Kia.
Yes, it look goldish, but
No. It was that night. Like kind of nightish. Because I was standing right there.
That's the car she was driving.
No.
she went to the store in my car, but I don't know nothing about no fleeing.
I know you
That's the time she did it.
don't know about it because she ain't going to tell you she ran from the police in your car.
Of course not.
He said my
Kia.
Kia. He ran my tag and on my name.
I stopped the car. I was out with the car.
It was
The
gold.
Kia, her car, I stopped it.
So can I say
That
something?
one.
Let me say something. The Kia that you pulled, it was gold. That's great.
I have the tag in the car in my report. It was that Kia.
He called my
I
last
watched
name
you
out
right there when
though.
you pulled them. That's how I know. How you think I know you're talking about?
Listen,
How you gonna tell the man what he's talking about?
The window
He got it written down, bro.
was down. The car ran the stop sign, right? Right?
He said my car.
listen.
On 14, the car ran the stop sign, right?
He talking about a whole other incident.
I stopped at 1200 block of 3rd, and it went towards
Third
15th.
and what? 13, right?
12th, and it flew down westbound. Listen, whatever color it was or whatever you saw, it was her car, which is why I got her phone number to call her. The car didn't take off me initially. I stopped the car, I ran the tag, I gave it to dispatch. We went out with the car. It was about 5 minutes I was out with your car and her. About 5-7 minute traffic stop. And she was with the Mr. I'm not gonna give the passenger's
And I
name.
don't smoke.
But,
I'm in the nursing field.
You could pull the report if you want. It's all public record.
Well, y'all clear this tag because I got a job.
No. Your tag's not flagged for fleeing and eluding, but
Okay.
she was because she was driving that car.
Okay, because
It was about. It might have been 2 days ago, maybe 3. I don't remember exactly when. Say again.
I want you to tell me so I can be around.
Joseph. That's who she was with. I got charges on him too. And you say, okay, you know exactly who that is. And he's on papers already. So he's going to be violated now and he's probably going to go back to prison. Trying to say it wasn't her. Like, I was talking to you for 5 minutes with the car. It was you.
Yeah. As long as you have your PC, you're good.
PC sign. There we go.
Oh, okay. So we'll just get her out of here as soon as possible so we can avoid damage.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
She said she let her take the car a couple days ago to go to the store.
Okay.
So she was driving the car a couple days ago.
Who wants the car?
Her mom wants to know about the black car.
Okay.
That's all.
And you told her she could take it?
I said she's got to just talk to him first because I don't know what he's got going on.
What's that?
That's
35. What was your traffic? Shit, I need damn dude. No, I'm not fucking doing this shit. You motherfucker over here talking about me. You know it wasn't fucking me. But it's not me.
okay.
Yeah. He just randomly just chose you because you was just there.
Mom.
I hear you.
Mom.
Please, do what they say. I don't want them to hurt you. I don't want the police to hurt you. I don't want the police to hurt you. After this cooperate, we'll do whatever we need to do for you.
About standing and resisting. I didn't fucking resist this shit.
In the car, enough.
Put your knee in. I don't want them to hurt you. Just
Look at the foot game again.
do whatever, honey. We got you. Just go.
No, I don't fucking trust them. I don't trust the fucking police. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable.
You don't get to choose. Your ass is going to jail.
Ashley, put your knee in the car, honey. Ashley, we got you. We're going to come and see about you. Just do what they say.
Just make it convenient. Get in the car and we're coming. Just get in the car.
Then they got a goddamn 5-star Uber driver or something like that. No. You ain't going to be comfortable. It ain't going to be your way. You ain't going to have no damn salad in the back with a big ass wine bottle.
The more you harass them, it's a problem. Just go.
Thank you.
But I'm going to take the car.
See, look, let me just show you something. All right, just so you can see that I'm not. I put out an email, right? Whenever we have charges on somebody, we send out emails.
Okay, well, get my tag off there because I got one work and I don't even get pulled over.
See, look.
Yes.
I currently have active PC. I seen driving a gray key. I am a Florida tax. Dark tinted windows.
I know my tag number.
Yeah, so that's what, that's the car we stopped. And if you let her drive
That's my niece, so I let her go to the store.
She said it was her auntie's car. She told me that. So again,
thank you.
Her license is good. Why I don't know why she ran initially. But
she ran because it had a weapon in that damn car. I bet you that. Not sure. I'm just assuming. But if your license is good, why would you pull off like that? Jesus, you don't even have a warrant.
I was talking to her I had a 5-minute conversation with her, so she wants to say it wasn't her.
Okay.
Our camera.
That dude in the car was dirty.
Was on the entire time.
Thank you.
So, all right.
Yo. Subscribe to the channel that provided this video. Support their channel. They got more videos you might want to check out. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids. And we're going to hit you with some more shit.